As a matter of fact,
I'm gonna attempt this song. It's a newer song I wrote. I'm trying to remember. I'm just gonna go with it, and I mess it up, but I mess it up.
you'll be fine.
You might not even know. And
When are you?
what I call it, notebook stories.
Yeah, I
Because
call.
I played it one time. Like I wrote it, and I came out here and I played with Jim, and I had it in a notebook in a car. And I ran out and grabbed it and I played it. And didn't have a name for it, so I just called it that.